RGB RAMs for your custom gaming setup. Are they worth it? Are they worth the extra money? And should you put one in your computer? Let's have a look at it. Hey, what's going on guys? Today we're back into another video, having a look at RGB RAMs for your custom gaming PCs, comparing it to the original RAMs without RGB. Is it worth the extra money to put one of these in your setup? Today I'm comparing two RGB RAMs. The first one is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB, which are two 8GB sticks of DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz in white. And the next one is the HyperX Predator, again 2 8GB sticks, 3200 MHz DDR4. They're both pretty much the same specs. The Corsair goes for £110 online, and the HyperX goes for around £90 on offer. Otherwise, I saw it on Amazon for £170, give or take a pound or two. So let's look into these, let's see what they look like, and also let's unbox them. Alright, so now for the Corsair Vengeance. Pretty standard stuff. I did buy these brand new, so just going to open these up now. I think this will be my favorite one. It's in white, so I think it should show nicely. Lift up the tab. You may also want to see which one suits your gaming setup. So this does also come in black. So depending on your setup, you may prefer the fully black. I went for white just to give my setup. Here we are. Yeah, pretty standard. Nice and white. The top LEDs have a nice edge design. The RGB show is quite nice. I do see the gradient look on that one. Here we have now the one from HyperX, the Predator. This was the cheaper one for me, so let's go ahead and open this one up now. Again, pretty standard. Two sticks, both 8GB each. Here's the back of the box. Again, I bought this new as well, so I'm just going to open it up. I actually only had a screwdriver handy because I was going to install it into my PC, so I'm just going to try and scratch it open with a screwdriver. You might want to use a nice little knife, but here we are. Just get that in there. Almost there. Okay, so pretty similar unboxing. Comes with the RAMs in a plastic case, and that's pretty much it. So let's put that to one side. Open the flap here. One thing I do like about the HyperX is that it does come with a sticker. So if you're into those kind of things, you get one of those. The Corsair, I believe, did not come with a sticker. Alright, so here's two of the HyperX RGB RAMs. Small warranty installation guide. Don't think you're going to need that, so I'll put that to one side. And that is the sticker I was speaking about. Pretty cool. I'm into it, so I might just stick it on my gaming setup. Here's the front. And that's the RGB that will flash. So there is less RGB lighting on these RAMs. They're a bit smaller than the Corsairs. So I think if you're into a brighter light, you might be better off with the Corsairs. But give or take the price difference. And that's pretty much it. Very simple unboxing, and that's what you get. Now let's compare the two. I'm going to install both of them in there, and let's see how that looks. So before I put these in there, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about RGB RAMs? Do you think you'd cash out an extra £20–30 to go all RGB? Or are you okay with the RAMs that you're currently using at the moment? Let me know below. What RGB or non-RGB RAMs are you using, and how much do they cost you? So these are a pair of DDR4s, 3200 MHz. I personally went for them. I thought they look kind of nice. And let me show you now the finished product. And this is how it looks. So I think it looks quite clean overall. On the left hand side we have the HyperX. They're a bit smaller in size, so the light it emits is also less. On the right hand side we have the Corsairs. gradient RGB at the moment. I think I like them better. Alright, that's it. Like for more and subscribe.